Hello and good evening to everyone. My name is Omkar Sahu and I'll be helping you with the session on ICode Global Hackathon 2021-2022, world's largest K-12 coding competition, wherein we will be having a session on Blockly Advanced, and I'll be helping you with the complete information about the platform, how you can sign in to the webinar every time when you want to join, everything about it. So without wasting any time, let's get going with the session. Now, I'll be helping you with how you can just enter to the webinar whenever you need to join. The first step is you need to log on to the ICode platform that is there, and you need to sign in to the platform. I'll be helping you with the session. I will be helping you the link that you will require to log into the platform. Now, in the chat, you can find the link. If you click on it, it will take you to the website. Oh, I'm so sorry. Give me a moment. Platform link is this. I'm so sorry for that. You need to click on the site. If you're logging in for the very first time, you need to enter your registered email ID that has been provided to you. After you enter the registered email ID, you will be given an OTP on your registered email ID. You need to enter the OTP. Once you click on send validation code, you will be receiving an OTP on your registered email ID. You need to enter the OTP that you have received on the website, and after entering the OTP, you will be getting the option to start learning. Okay. After that, what you need to do, you need to click on start learning. Once you will click on start learning, it will take you to the platform where we will be learning how we can prepare ourselves for hackathon, and at the same time it will be helping you to understand how you can learn much more about coding and programming. Okay, so this is the thing. So as soon as you will enter, you need to click on join webinar, and henceforth you will be taken to the Zoom platform. Okay, and as you can see, once you will be clicking on that, the banner will be converted to a Zoom call at the time of webinar, and click on join class, and you will be entering the webinar automatically. Okay, so this will be the countdown which will be visible at your website, and once you will click on that. Now, I hope everyone has all logged in. Yes or no? Please reply in chat. The chat is always open for you. Okay. I'm hoping everyone has logged in. Give me the confirmation in the chat, please. Okay. I'll wait for 1 or 2 more minutes, then we will get going with the session. Okay. So I'll repeat the process. It's very easy. You need to click on the link that I have shared in the chat, and 2022.icode.org. After that, you need to click on enter your email ID. Press the button that says send validation code. Make sure you are entering the registered email ID that you have registered with, and then you need to enter the OTP which you have received on your email ID. After that, you need to click on start learning. Then you will be taken to another page where you need to click on join webinar. After that, you will be shown this page wherein if you will be logging in on the time of webinar, then it will be automatically starting the Zoom call and you will be taken to the webinar by Zoom automatically. Okay, so that's it. I hope everyone has logged in. Now, moving on to the next part. After you click on the start learning, okay, once you will click on start learning, you will see some dashboard, something like this, a dashboard like this, which is basically the ICode platform. Okay, now everyone who has joined for today will be understanding the Blockly programming, right? We will be understanding how we can write programs in blocks. Okay, so before we move ahead to understand how we can write programs in Blockly on this platform, we need to first understand the interface, how the interface looks like and what all things that are there. Okay, so on the right hand side corner, you will see your name. Okay, it's a demo account, so my name is visible over there as player. Okay, so when you will be logging in, your name will be visible over there. Okay, you can change the language from this drop down. After that, you have your profile. Okay, so you can see it says a profile or something like that. Okay, then we have announcements. But before we move ahead to the other details of this platform, I need to tell you something. Okay, so can you see this character over here? Does that look like a robot? Yes, exactly. So the character has a name called Dave. Okay, and Dave is someone curious like you. Okay, and what he is curious about, he want to go to the space, and luckily he got a chance to go to the space in a spacecraft. Okay, while he was traveling towards, let's suppose, say Mars, and he was almost at the verge of reaching there on Mars. Okay, what happened before that? He met with an accident. What type of accident? And a meteoroid hit the spacecraft, and his spacecraft was completely destroyed. Now, luckily, he was saved, but the spacecraft that was there was like shattered, to be honest. Okay, so all the parts of the spacecraft was basically thrown here and there after getting damaged. Okay, now uh, Dave is all alone and he want to gather all the components, all the part of the spacecraft that is there. So he will be doing what? He will be doing the hunting, scavenger hunting in the spacecraft, space, and he will be searching for all the components that are there, that was there in the spacecraft. And what we will be doing, we will be helping Dave to collect all the parts of the spacecraft that was there with him. Okay, in which he was traveling. Okay, now, so I hope everyone has understood what the platform and what is the history of the platform itself. Okay, now in this section, like in the training course section, you can see different levels are there, right? Level 1, level 2, level 3 will be there, and level 4 will be there. Okay, like this. Okay, so these levels that are there, you will be upgraded to. Basically, this is the gamified version of the of learning, where we have gamified the complete platform. Like if you will be clearing the level 1, then afterwards you will be able to access the content that is there in level 2. Okay, so we will be reaching to the different levels gradually. Okay, so in the training one, like in the level 1 training, you can see there are different stages that are there. Okay, so can you see? Basic, we have first part, then we have programming, then we have competition, then Blockly. All these things will be covered. So we will be learning everything gradually. Okay, so I hope till here nobody has a doubt. Okay, nobody has a doubt. Great. So we will be starting with the first part of the training one, like a training ground level 1. Okay, so what we will do, we will click on go. Okay, once we will click on go, it will take us into the platform. Okay, where we will be helping Dave to get all his energy boosters, all the components of spacecraft that was destroyed. Okay, voila, we are into the platform. Can you see? Okay, so this guy is basically took me to the level where I left. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll bring it back to the level 1. Okay, so what I'll do, I will quickly go to the level 1. Okay, 1 minute please. I'll be clicking on level 1. Voila, so we are here. Okay, now can you see the first part that is there? Now I'll be helping you with the introduction of this platform, how it works, everything here. Okay, on the top, you will be able to see the section name, like the unit and what level you are at. Okay, then your name will be there. Okay, and the course which you are learning, it will be having the name. The menu option will help you with the different options to reach to certain level that you have already passed, and it will help you with the level map, like how you should be proceeding. Okay, then obviously the language will be there. If you want to exit, you can have it. Okay, now in the like this will be the coding area. This will be the area where you will be dragging and dropping your blocks. Okay, now you can see these are some colorful blocks that are there, right? These colorful blocks will help you to write programs. Okay, to write code for it. Okay, so can you see this character, Dave? Right, guys? Yes. So Dave will be traveling to get his all the energy boosters and all the components of the spacecraft that was there. Okay, now this interface part which is there will be visual representation of executed code that is there, like whatever you will be writing here. If you click on this run button, what will happen? Whatever program, whatever code which you will be writing over here will execute. Okay, now can you see there are directions X and Y, right? So X is horizontal movement. Whenever we want to make something move horizontally, we will be saying X movement, and whenever we want to make something move vertically, that is known as Y movement. Okay, I'm sure about this, that people, the students who are there in the meeting, they must be aware of Scratch, right? Anybody knows the Scratch? Raise your hand, please. Okay, a lot of you already know about Scratch. Great, that's a good thing. Okay, so we have understood what is X motion and Y motion movement. Okay, so now tell me one thing. Like this is the character Dave. Okay, he is there at this point, and the energy booster is placed over here. Okay, so tell me one thing. Like if I will be willing to get this energy booster, so how should I proceed? Should I like move? Like obviously he will be taking steps. 1, 2, 3. How many steps are there? Can anyone respond in the chat? Oh my goodness, 3. So 1 step, 2 step, and 3 step, and we will be able to get the energy booster that is there, right? Yes. So where we can find the step block? Can anyone see? Yes, on the top. It says we will be dragging and dropping it over here. Clear? So we can use this zoom in and zoom out feature over here. If you click on this plus icon, it will zoom the platform, and if you click on negative, like the minus, so it will like take it backwards. It will minimize it basically. Okay, clear everyone? Now, and if you click on this, it will align everything in the center. Okay, now we have 1 step here. What we should do? We should take 3 steps, 1 step, 2 step, and then 3 step, right? So what we will do? 1 step we have already taken. Now what we will do? We will drag 1 more. Now 1 plus 1 is 2 steps. Now another one. We will be saying 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equals to 3. That means we will be able to take 3 steps. Now what should I do? I should click on run. 1, 2, 3. Click on run. Oh my goodness, can you see? We got that energy booster. Yes. but there's something wrong. It says only 2 stars. That is not right. We should have at least 3 stars, right? So whenever we'll be writing the code, the importance of these stars are your ranking. Okay. So what you need to do, you need to ensure that whenever you write a program, that should be the best version of the code. Okay, that should be the best version of code. Then only you will be able to get 3 star out of all these 3 stars that are there. Okay, 3 out of 3. If you want to get it, then you need to find the best possible way of writing that code. Okay, so what we will do now, we will be going back and writing the program again. So click on this green icon one more time. Okay, oh my goodness. So give me a moment. Okay, so we just wanted this guy to help us with another chance. So we'll go back and select this one out. Okay, so what we will do, instead of writing it 3 times, like dev step 1, dev step 1, dev step 1, what we need to do, we should be writing directly. If you want to delete it, there's always an option. Click on it and put it in the dustbin like this, and it will be vanished. Now I want to take 3 steps, right? So why we are writing 1 step only? That means we need to write 3. If we will be writing 3 steps, then what will happen? It will execute 3 steps at a time, and we will be able to get 1, 2, 3. Voila, 3 stars. Can you see? Yes, we got 3 stars over here. Great. Okay. Now I want to see everyone, like everyone is doing along with me or not. Please confirm if you are doing it with me. Yes or no? Say, respond in the chat. The chats are always open. Okay, give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up if you are done. If you are done, I can see a lot of hand raised. Okay. So I'll be waiting for you guys to finish everyone this particular till this level. Okay, the level 1 we will be crossing. Okay, the first program level 1 will be crossing with this. So what we have learned that how we can make the dev to take some steps and get the energy booster. Okay to everyone? Yes. Okay, so one or 2 more minutes we will be waiting. Afterwards we will be get going with the next project. Okay, so we'll be waiting for it. Everyone, please let me know when you are done. Please let me know when you are done. Okay, clear. So okay, is there any doubt anyone having? Anybody has any doubt? Nobody has a doubt? Okay, let's go ahead. Okay, so we will be doing what? We will be clicking on this green icon that is there to go to the next level. If you click on this, it will give you the option to play it again. So like write the program one more time. So 1, 2, 3, clicked on the green button and it took us to the next level. Goodness. So this time the energy booster is behind or it is in the front, right? So can you see it is here? The energy booster is here and I am at 0.7. So how far it is? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So what should I do? I should place, how many steps should be there? Reply in the chat, please, everyone. How many steps do I need to take? 5, exactly. 5 steps we need to take. So what I'll do, we will write 5 in the steps and click on run. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you see? Yes, it worked, right? Okay. Can you see one more time? If I click on that reverse, like a replay option, it will take me to the same game one more time, same step. So there are other options as well. If you want to hear some music while you are writing the program, you can click on it. It will play. Okay. Look. Yes, it's a good sound that will boost your energy, right? Okay, so you can always mute it from this point. Okay, if you want to refresh it, you can do it like this. Now, if you click on run, what will happen? They will go and pick the things up. Okay, please write the program, everyone, and see who is going to write it first. Okay, I'm waiting, I'm waiting. Go on, please, people. Okay, so I'll be giving you 1 minute to write the program. After that, we'll be going to the next project. Okay. Okay. Everyone has any doubt? Anybody has any doubt? Nobody? Okay. So I think we should move ahead to the next part of it. Okay. Great. So now we'll be clicking on this green bar. Oh my goodness. Okay. So here's the thing. We need to understand how we can take right turn or left turn. Okay. So can you see, if I'll be taking this guy move forward, what will happen? It will take me to this direction, right? But if I'll talk about this, can you see what is not right? The x is common, but the y is changing, right? Yes or no, people? Yes. So tell me one thing, should I take right or left? Think about it. I need to go left or I need to go right? What happened if I'll go right? He will be jumping off the platform, right? So what we need to do, click on this drop down and choose left. And how many steps? 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. So what we will do, click on run. Oh my goodness, we were wrong, right? That means we need to understand before taking the steps. Okay, that is, you need to take a right turn to get there. Why? Because you can see the numbers are decreasing, right? That, right? So whenever you will take a right turn, it will take you to this particular place. 1, 2, 3. Now can you see? Done. Okay, so we have learned how this guy will be taking a right or left turn. Okay, please do let me know, everyone. Is there anyone who is having any doubt? So we have understood how to take number of steps forward, backward, and then we have understood how to take a right or left turn. Okay, clear? Great. So I'll be again waiting for you for one more minute to finish this one. Then we'll be moving to the level 4. Okay. Okay. Do let me know when you guys are done. Okay. We'll be waiting for everyone to finish. Just do let me know when you guys are done. Okay. We'll be waiting. I'll be waiting for you guys. Okay. Is everyone done? Yes. So now we will be moving ahead to the next part. Okay. Okay. Now it's time that we'll be moving to the next part of the unit one. Okay, so we'll click on this green button one more time, and now it will take me to the next level. Okay, so tell me one thing, like whenever we want to make this guy move into this direction, so what should I do? Should I take right or left? Please tell me in the chat. Please tell me in the chat. Should I take a right turn or left turn? So it is saying similar, like you can read the instruction as well. It is saying dev right turn block was something that told you about how to take a right turn. Now, similarly, if you want to make dev take a left turn, then what you need to do? You need to drag this block at the beginning, place it, and then take a left turn. Why? Because it will be taking, like you can see, the y value is 2 and x here the y value is 6. Okay, clear? So now what we will do, we will click on run 1 2 3. Look, it got the energy booster and it is happy. Okay, people. Now again, I'll give you one more minute to finish this one up. Then we'll be going ahead to the level 5. Okay, just do let me know when you guys are done. Okay, and please do ask your questions if you have any. Okay, so we'll be quickly finishing off this one, the level of 4. Okay, great. I hope everyone is done. Now let's finish the last project of today's webinar. That will be the level 5. Okay, now you need to tell me, like, how can I reach over here? Okay, so you have to tell me first. So tell me, like, how I can reach here and when I should take a turn. Okay, so we will be counting 1 2 3 4 steps to be taken, and when I will be here, what will be the value? Like, can you see? X is equals to 5, y is equals to 3, and here x is equals to 8 and y is equals to 7. So what value will be changing? X value will be changing, right? So we will be taking 4 steps in the forward. Then we should take a right turn or left turn? We should take a right turn, exactly. So what we will do? We'll take a right turn and then we will add steps. How many steps? 1 2 3. So we will take 3 steps over here. Okay, and now we will click on run. 1 2 3. Oh, again we need to understand how we have to write it. Okay, so what we will do, can you see the error which we did? It was oh my goodness, give me a moment. So we will go back to the level 5 again, and instead of right turn we should be taking a left turn. Okay, so this is how you will understand that when to take a left turn and when to take a right turn. Okay, so now whenever you will be going this point, now you have to think, you should take a left turn or you should take a right turn according to this point. Okay, so what we will do, click on run one more time, and what will happen? You will see we got the energy booster, right? Yes, great. So I hope everyone enjoyed the webinar and understood how the platform works and how you guys will be preparing yourself for the webinar, for the for the competition. Yes, so we have finished till level 5. Now you guys have to finish, try to finish as many as you can in the first beginner level. Okay, in the upcoming sessions we will be understanding how we can reach to the different levels that are there. So if you guys have any question, you can always ask. I will be waiting for you. Okay, please ask your question in the chat. Okay, sorry. Okay, so we'll be going to the main menu again. Okay, so we were here on this basic one. Okay, so what we want that you should be finishing as many level as you can. Okay, clear to everyone? Yes, great. So thank you so much for joining today's webinar. My name is Omkar Sahu and I sign off for today and hoping to see you in the next session. Thank you so much, everyone. Bye bye.